Yo, spread the word. TopShakaz alongside Calvin all over. Yeah. Watch you stepping, I'm moving with protection. I can't ever leave it alone, no. Yeah. Steady progressing, mine is sharper than a weapon. I'm just trying to protect my own, no, nah. Cause this could be the first trumpet, but it might as well be the last. Cause many more will have to suffer just another
Come. Yeah, the game.
Convict, yeah. Grand hustle movement.
Let's go.
Riding through them city blocks, I hear that money calling. Nina on my waist in case they wanna get it started. Barely trust myself, so I be damned to trust nobody. Plotting to move me out of my spot. Cause out in my city, you know what it's like.